How to build, edit, and use task-related triggers. In this video, we will show you how to set up a task-related trigger. There are many ways you can create tasks, such as in a pipeline, campaign, or contact record. For this video, we will be creating a task from within a contact. At the top right-hand corner of the contact record, you can toggle between these different options. Select the task option and click on Add New to create the task. Fill in the task title and the description. Then select which user you want to assign the task to. Finally, you can set the due date of the task. Once you have finished setting up the task, save the task. You will then see the task appear on the right-hand side of the contact record. Now we will navigate to triggers. Start making your new task trigger. For the trigger type, select Task Reminder. For the filter, there are two standard options that are commonly used: before number of days and after number of days. Both are viable options depending on what works best for your schedule. If you want the task to be due on the same day you made it, you can use either option and set the number of days to 0. For the action, there are many options you can choose from, but we recommend limiting the amount of automations. 3 useful actions are send email, send notification, and send SMS. We will be using the send email action. Now you will need to format your email however works best for you. The sender portion should have the appropriate email and the recipient portion should have the custom value user.email. When using custom values in general for tasks, the custom value drop-down menu has a task section, so you can copy the necessary custom values to properly set up your email. We are going to choose the title and due date custom values, pasting them into the subject of the email. For the body of the email, we are using the title and description custom values. This is just an example. You can format the email however you want with whichever custom values you choose. When you have finished setting up the email, save and activate the trigger.